Hey YouTube, happy Monday. Well, it's Monday night and we're going to go ahead and take a look at the top 6 crypto coins tonight. And we do have some pretty big news. It looks like XRP is really starting to take off, but I'll go ahead and get into that. Some people are talking about possible $500 to $1,000 XRP token. It sounds like a lot of banks are starting to adopt XRP. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the news here in just a second, but getting started, we're going to start with number 6 coin, which is Bitcoin Cash. It's got a market cap of $2,266,000, and it's at $128.30 a coin. Right now, we're down. It looks like about 2.29%. And let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart. It'll take just a second here. There we go. And we'll get into the 24-hour here. And as you can see, it's a lot of sideways. You got a few dips here and there, but like a lot of ping pong action going on, back and forth, back and forth. It looks like your high is gonna be about 130.09. Then you kind of taper off a little bit. You start retracing back down again, 128. And then back up here to about 130. So between 130, 128, just a lot of back and forth sideways right now. But I am being told that there is something pretty big coming up on the horizon. It looks like we're going to start having a lot of volume flow back into the exchanges. So, that could either mean we're going to go up in price or we're going to go down in price. But there is a big move coming, and we'll have to see what happens. Let's go ahead and see what the number 5 coin is. And the number 5 coin tonight is EOS, and that's got a market cap of $3.189 billion, and it's actually starting to catch up to Litecoin too. So, but anyway, it's at $3.52 a coin, and actually you're down 3.98%. And let's go ahead and take a look at your 24-hour chart. The 24-hour chart for EOS looks like, let's see. Yeah, a lot of ping pong here too, guys. A lot of back and forth, a lot of sideways here. Let's see. Looks like 367 is going to just about do it for the, let's see what it looks like over here. It looks like about 367 is going to do it for the tops for EOS today. And let's see what this looks like, your lowest point here. And your lowest point is going to be about 349. So just kind of a lot of sideways right now, a lot of steady momentum. Just keep it going there. And let's go ahead and take a look at number 4, which I believe would be Litecoin. That is correct. Litecoin has a current market cap of $3.279 billion at $53.91 a coin. We're down 4.55%. And guys, this pullback was expected. I'm seeing Litecoin maybe test $51 level, but I don't know. It seems to me the market's kind of in it dipped a little bit earlier, but it seems like it's in a little bit of a recovery phase now. So I'm not quite sure if it's going to touch 51. It might, but we'll have to wait and see. And let's go ahead and take a look at Litecoin. Like I said, it's got a market cap of $3.278 billion, 53.91 a coin, I believe that is. And we're down 4.55%, as I said a minute ago. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart for Litecoin. Yeah, a lot of ping pong, a lot of sideways trading here. Let's see. Got a 55.79, back to 55.61, and you went down a little, you retraced down a little bit here. You got up to about 55.66, and then it looks like you kind of took a bit of a dive down here, all the way down to about, let's see if I can get it to cooperate with me. 53.50. It looks like that's where it's bottomed out at. It's 53.50. Let me check back here just to make double sure. Actually, yeah, 53.50 is about your lowest point. And let me see again. Your high again is 55.79. But as I said, guys, it's going to probably, if I go off of history, I think that Litecoin's probably going to dip down to about 51, and that's probably going to be your lowest for Litecoin. Maybe 50 if we continue to drop, but we'll have to see. Let's go ahead and check the number 4, or actually the number 3. I'm sorry, which is one of my favorite coins, XRP. I plan on picking up some more here real soon. Let's see, XRP is in the number 3 spot at a market cap of $12.757 billion, and we're at 0.3079. We did have a little bit of a pullback in XRP today, but it's not really that bad. And that's one of the things I really like about XRP is it doesn't go down that much. I really appreciate that. Let's see, we are down 1.33%. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart. 24-hour chart is looking like, yeah, a lot of ping pong here. We got up about, looks like we got up about 0.314, and then we retraced back down to about 310. Then a lot of sideways here. And then we took a dip down here to about 30 cents, 0.307. And it's just kind of flatlining right now. But right now it's residing at 0.037942. But guys, I've been reading, I did some research earlier, and it's looking like people are saying we could go to $1.20 a coin for XRP. There's other people that are saying it could be $5, $20. There's even people that are saying it could be $500 to $1,000 a coin. And there's a lot of banks that are starting to adopt XRP right now, and I really do believe that XRP is going to be something you really want to invest in. As I've said in the past, this is my opinion. Please take it with a grain of salt. I mean, I don't want to try to tell you to invest in something, then you lose money, and then, it's just for me personally, I'm going to continue to buy as much of it as I can. And we'll get into the news for XRP in just a second. Let's go ahead and finish the last 2 coins here. And number 2 belongs to Ethereum, another coin that I hold, which is got a market cap of $13.830 billion, and we're currently at 131.47, and we're down 3.35%. Let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart for Ether. And it's looking like, yeah, a lot of ping pong back here. And you kind of retrace down. Let's see, we started off at about 136.10, and then it starts to retrace down, kind of in a downward motion here. 135. You fell a little bit further. Let's see, where's your weakest spot? Where's your lowest spot? I think right here is going to be about your lowest spot at 130.94. So, guys, what I'm hearing about Ethereum, hold on to your Ethereum, because this is just a minor little setback here. You're going to have days like you're red all day long, but then tomorrow it could be $160. I mean, we all know how crazy this can get, but I'm hearing that it could go back up to 160. I'm hearing maybe even 200 for Ethereum. So hold on to your Ethereum. Just don't get panicked by these little dips. I've been guilty of that myself. Well, let's go ahead and check out the number 1 coin, which would be Bitcoin. Bitcoin is your number 1 spot at 67,000, I believe that is. And we got a price of 3,871.03, and we're down 1.68, I think 69%, I believe that is. Forgive me if I'm wrong. And let's go ahead and take a look at that 24-hour chart for Bitcoin. And it looks like a lot of ping pong here too, guys. It's almost kind of flat, actually. Really not a whole lot going on with Bitcoin at the moment. Just a lot of consolidation, a lot of sideways trading. 3,937, I think, is going to be your tops. Yeah. And then just kind of retraces back down. And I think this is pretty close to, well, actually, 3,890. Let's see what it is back here. 3,865 looks like it's going to be your lowest. So with Bitcoin, I think you're getting close to the end of this cycle too. So we'll have to see. It's either going to break, it's going to break bullish or break bearish. I mean, it's going to either go up or down. So I think something pretty big's coming up for Bitcoin here. But let's go ahead and get into this news real quick and see what's going on with XRP. It looks like okay, here we go. Breakout is in the cards. It looks like we got a big breakout for Ripple coming. Please forgive me for these little pop-ups here. Price analysis fundamentals. In a way, JP Morgan is a pioneer, the first market back to. No, that's not really important. Let's see. There's something I'm looking for here. Candlestick arrangements. Gosh, where is it? Don't you hate it when you look for it? Okay, hold on just a second, guys. I apologize for this. Ripple price is below 34 cents in range now. Let's see. JP Morgan coin threat. Brad Garlinghouse assures. Transactional volumes low. 20 million. Yeah, that doesn't look for. Sorry about that, guys. I really don't have my crap together tonight. Let's see. Okay. Well, let's get out of this real quick. This is not really helping out a whole lot. It looks like there is a Swiss exchange that reportedly lists XRP on the traded exchange. And let's see, price index. Well, guys, really for today, exactly, it doesn't look like there is a lot of news going on with Ripple, but let's see. I have seen some price predictions for the 500 to 1,000 mark, so definitely hold on. Hold on just a second. Bear with me, guys, here. Here we go. 2019 prediction. Here we go. Okay, here we go. This is what I was looking for, guys. I apologize for that. Okay, right here. Price prediction. 14 hours ago. XRP price prediction for April, May, and June. Ripple's second quarter value to reach $1. Ripple had sort of a disappointing first quarter of 2019, value dropping to about 11% at the beginning of the year. However, when it comes to building the infrastructure of further... Oh, sorry about that, guys. Let me get rid of this real quick. There we go. And let me get rid of this if I can. There we go. Okay. Let's see, the current... Where was I? Okay. XRP will either move over the 31 resistance level, which was previously, if I moved out of the way, I'm sorry, at 31 cents. However, the major resistance lies at 32 cents above the Ripple price. And let's see if there's anything else here. Where's the real juicy stuff? Okay. In the near future, Ripple is expected to break the resistance at 43 cents to 44, and then overcome to the 52 cent limit. Has numerous advantages. 55 billion XRP in escrow, despite the total supply of 100 billion coins. The Ripple company put 55 billion XRP in escrow. These are held in place in smart contract which releases 1 billion XRP per month. So it's looking like they're saying in the near term, it's going to probably, I'm saying, get up to 43 cents, then test 44 and overcome that 52 cent limit. So once we start getting to 52 cents, I think you're going to start getting people excited again. But let's see. Ripple might rally up to almost $5 by the end of the year, guys. Can you imagine that? So we're going to end tonight with keep buying Ripple as much as you possibly can. it's going to go to $5 hopefully by the end of the year. So anyway, guys, it's Monday night. Sorry I stumbled a little bit there, but you guys have a great Monday night evening, and I will talk at you tomorrow. Peace out. This is Jason with Crypto Vision. Have a pleasant evening.